I decided to do my flipped classroom presentation on a city I travel a lot to. San Francisco is a very iconic city, known for the landmarks it has, sports teams that play there, and the most memorable being its Golden Gate Bridge, shown in the picture. The drive to San Fran. The drive to San Fran is very long, but worth the wait. Although the drive from where I live to San Fran is about 6 to 8 hours, depending on traffic, it is very relaxing and enjoyable. Driving through the mountains is peaceful, and I can have lots of fun talking to friends or family on the way there. Occupying myself with music or games on my phone or anything along the way can also add to kill time. However, stopping every now and then really adds to the experience. Making stops can create bonding moments when hanging out at parks or beaches or even restaurants along the way. So even the journey is just as fun as the destination. The Golden Gate Bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge, which is sure to be on everyone's list of places to go, is truly remarkable. Being the landmark that defines San Francisco, the bridge is absolutely worth the visit. Trails for tourists and bikers help more people along to admire the work of architecture or even just get a quick exercise in. Information around the bridge is also there available for tourists to show how it was constructed and the reasons for it. The picture on the top right being when it is completed, and the picture on the bottom right being when it was being constructed. Moving on, the pier in Alcatraz. The pier in Alcatraz is also a great place to visit and spend a visit on. Much of the culture in San Fran can be seen at the pier when walking through the small stores and restaurants. Nature lovers get a real kick out of seeing seals and other mammals hanging out at the pier. Alcatraz, which can be seen from the Golden Gate Bridge in the slide above, or in other certain areas at the pier, is also very fascinating. The most famous prison that is seen as living up to its expectations of never having an escaped convict is really fascinating, and tours can be offered to go see the place in person. Alcatraz being the picture on the bottom right, and the seals that hang out at the piers on the top. The San Francisco Giants. My family being involved in sports could also make a great getaway for those who are also like this. Catching a baseball game at AT&T Park is worth a while visit. It is a beautiful stadium, and the games can go on for a while, making it very memorable to go to. The picture on the left being the entrance to the stadium, which is very beautiful. San Francisco 49ers. Watching the 49ers play is also one of my family's ways to spend time at San Francisco. Although I am a Patriots fan, it is always good to see a football game, and occasionally my team comes over to play in San Francisco. Although, when I am at that stadium, I am not very popular there because of my team. It's still worthwhile and definitely worth catching a game and bonding with family.